questions, no medical exam. Applying is easy. And you have your choice of options starting at $9.95 a month, a few dollars a week, 35 cents a day. And your price will never go up. A lifetime rate lock guarantees it. This protection can last a lifetime too. Some insurance policies end once you reach a certain age. Not this one. Pay your bill, and it's yours to keep for as long as you like.
How did you apply?
Called for information, got an application, filled it out, sent it back. It took a few minutes.
And look,
And then final wishes. Now my kids will have everything they need in one place.
Ready to learn more? Call for free information and your free gift. There's no obligation. Every policy we issue comes with a
Call 1-800-359-2424 for your free information and your free gift. That's 1-800.